how to transfer money from a Forex card to a bank account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from a Forex card to a bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To transfer money from a Forex card to a bank account, follow these steps. Step 1. Check if your Forex card allows transfers. Some Forex cards may allow direct transfers to bank accounts. Contact your Forex card provider to confirm if this feature is supported. Step 2. Log into the Forex card portal or app. If direct transfers are supported, log into your Forex card account via the online portal or mobile app. Step 3. Find the transfer option. Look for the transfer or send money option within the account menu. If available, select the bank account transfer option. Step 4. Enter the bank account details. Input the recipient's bank account number, name, and any other necessary details such as the SWIFT code. Step 5. Enter the amount to transfer. Specify the amount you wish to transfer from your Forex card to your bank account. Step 6. Confirm the transfer. Review all the details to make sure everything is correct. Click Confirm or Submit to complete the transfer. Step 7. Receive confirmation. You will receive a confirmation screen, and the Forex card provider may send a notification once the transfer is successful. So that's how you can transfer money from a Forex card to a bank account. That's all for this video.